Mastering the stem plot, using Matplotlib. A stem graph, also known as a stem plot, is a type of data visualization used to display discrete data points. In Matplotlib, a stem graph consists of vertical lines extending from a baseline to the data points above it. Each stem represents an individual data point, making it easy to visualize the distribution and variation of the data. Stem graphs are particularly useful for comparing individual values within a dataset and identifying trends or patterns. While making sets with data for a stem graph, make sure they are equal in size to ensure consistency and accuracy in your analysis. Equal-sized datasets make comparisons and visualizations more meaningful and easier to understand. This approach ensures that your analysis remains reliable and straightforward. Some computer code can create a visual representation of data in the form of a stem graph. This code helps us turn raw data into a chart with vertical stems, showing different proportions and making it easy to compare individual data points. Adding a title and labels to both axes is essential for creating clear and informative stem graphs. The title provides context for the visualization, helping viewers understand the purpose and scope of the data being presented. Axis labels offer clarity by specifying what each axis represents, making it easier for the audience to interpret the data accurately. Customizing a stem graph using the line, base, and marker elements can significantly enhance its visual appeal and clarity. The line element allows you to modify the appearance of the stems, such as changing their color, width, and style. This customization helps highlight specific data points or trends, making the graph more engaging and informative. The base element lets you adjust the baseline from which the stems extend, providing a clear reference point for interpreting the data. Customizing the base can improve the overall readability of the graph and emphasize certain aspects of the data. Grid lines enhance the readability of a stem graph by providing visual reference points. They help align data points with the axis, making the graph easier to interpret and understand. This function in Matplotlib allows you to set properties for artists such as lines, markers, and other plot elements in a concise and efficient way. By using this function, you can customize various attributes like color, line style, line width, and more, making it easier to fine-tune the appearance of your plots and create visually appealing graphs. This flexibility ensures your visualizations are both informative and aesthetically pleasing. For the baseline, this function in Matplotlib allows you to set properties like color, line style, and line width concisely. By customizing these attributes, you can enhance the readability and visual appeal of your graph. This ensures that the baseline is clearly defined, providing a reliable reference point for interpreting the data. Additionally, a well-customized baseline makes your visualization more professional and effective in conveying the underlying information. For the stem line, this function in Matplotlib allows you to set properties like color, line style, and line width concisely. By customizing these attributes, you can enhance the visual appeal and clarity of the stems, making it easier to distinguish data points. This ensures that the stem line is clearly defined, highlighting specific data points and trends effectively. Additionally, a well-customized stem line improves the overall professionalism and effectiveness of your visualization. Mistakes are indeed mistakes, but they can serve as valuable reminders to review and improve your code. When you encounter errors, it prompts you to take a closer look at your work, identify the issues, and find solutions. This process helps you learn from your mistakes, refine your skills, and become a more proficient coder. Trying random changes and experimenting with different aspects of code can significantly enhance your learning experience. By exploring various approaches, you gain a deeper understanding of how the code works, discover new techniques, and identify more efficient solutions. To set the baseline, we can use the bottom function. By doing so, we can customize the position of the baseline, providing a clear reference point for interpreting the data and improving the overall clarity and visual appeal of our STEM graph. Practice as much as you can and dedicate your time to learning data science. The more you immerse yourself in the subject, the better you will understand complex concepts and develop essential skills. Consistent practice helps reinforce your knowledge, improve problem-solving abilities, and builds confidence in your capabilities. By investing time in learning and practicing, you will become more efficient and well-versed in the dynamic and ever-evolving field of data science. Making a title and labeling both axes is essential for creating clear and informative STEM graphs. The title provides context for the visualization, helping viewers understand the purpose and scope of the data being presented. Axis labels offer clarity by specifying what each axis represents, making it easier for the audience to interpret the data accurately. This approach enhances the overall readability and professionalism of the graph, ensuring that the information is effectively communicated and easily understood. You can add labels using the legend function to provide explanations for different data series or elements within the graph. This makes your visualization both informative and aesthetically pleasing. Remember to add the legend in the code. You can add labels using the legend function to provide explanations for different data series or elements within the graph. This makes your visualization both informative and aesthetically pleasing. Highlighting specific points on a graph is crucial for emphasizing key data, enhancing clarity, and effectively communicating the main message. By differentiating important points from the rest of the data, you ensure that your visualization is clear and easy to interpret. Customizing the appearance of highlighted points adds to the aesthetic appeal, professionalism of your graph, making it more engaging and impactful. To highlight specific points on a graph, you can customize the appearance of the highlighted points to make them stand out from the rest of the data. Adjust properties such as marker style, size, color, and transparency to emphasize these points. This ensures your visualization effectively draws attention to important data and makes it more informative and aesthetically pleasing. Highlighting a region or shading an area in a graph is important for drawing attention to specific sections of data that are significant or require special focus. It enhances the clarity and readability of the graph by visually separating important areas from the rest of the data. Shading can be used to distinguish between different regions or periods, highlight key trends or points of interest, and provide additional context and information. Customizing shaded areas also adds to the visual appeal of the graph, making it more engaging and professionally presented. Setting the background color of a figure in Matplotlib is important for enhancing the visual appeal and readability of your graph. It allows you to customize the appearance to match the overall theme or color scheme of your presentation, report, or publication. By providing a clear contrast with the plotted data and labels, a suitable background color can improve readability and emphasize key elements of the graph. Practicing different approaches and techniques is essential for finding the best results in any task or field. By experimenting with various methods, you can discover what works best for you and refine your skills. Matplotlib provides a range of built-in styles that can be used to customize the appearance of your plots, making them more professional and visually appealing. These styles offer predefined settings for colors, fonts, and other visual elements, allowing you to quickly apply a consistent look and feel to your visualizations. By experimenting with different styles, you can find the one that best suits your data and presentation needs. Using Matplotlib styles saves time on manual customization and ensures that your plots have a polished and cohesive appearance, enhancing the overall effectiveness of your data communication. Color maps are a crucial aspect of data visualization, as they determine the colors used to represent data values in a graph or plot. By applying an appropriate color map, you can enhance the visual appeal and readability of your visualization, making it easier for the audience to interpret the data accurately. Color maps can be used to highlight trends, patterns, and variations within the data, providing valuable insights and improving overall communication. Matplotlib offers a variety of built-in color maps that can be customized to suit your specific needs. Color bars are a valuable element in data visualizations, particularly when using color maps to represent data values. They provide a reference scale that helps viewers to interpret the colors in the plot, making it easier to understand the data's range and distribution. By including a color bar, you enhance the clarity and readability of your visualization, ensuring that the audience can accurately interpret the color-coded information. Don't be discouraged when you make mistakes while learning data science. Mistakes are an integral part of the learning process and provide valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. Creating subplots can help you visualize multiple charts in a single figure, making it easier to compare and analyze different aspects of your data. Subplots allow you to display various visualizations side by side, providing a comprehensive view of your data in one convenient layout. This approach is particularly useful when you want to compare multiple metrics, trends, or categories simultaneously, enhancing the overall clarity and effectiveness of your analysis. Mistakes are indeed mistakes, but they can serve as valuable reminders to review and improve your code. When you encounter errors, it prompts you to take a closer look at your work, identify the issues, and find solutions. This process helps you learn from your mistakes, refine your skills, and become a more proficient coder. Embracing mistakes as opportunities for growth and learning can ultimately lead to better and more reliable code. Achieving success is always a rewarding experience, but it's important to recognize that there is always room for improvement. By continuously reflecting on your accomplishments and seeking ways to enhance your skills and knowledge, you can keep growing and reaching new heights. Embrace the mindset of lifelong learning and self-improvement, and you will find that your journey is filled with opportunities for further success. Using and displaying color maps in your data visualizations is not as complicated as it might seem. A color map is essentially a range of colors used to represent data values. By applying a color map, you can make your data more visually appealing and easier to interpret. Adding a color bar provides a reference that helps viewers understand the scale of colors used in your plot, making it more readable and informative. The process is straightforward and helps convey your data more effectively. Experimenting with different color maps is a great way to find the best visual representation for your data. Each color map has its unique way of displaying data values, which can significantly impact how easily viewers can interpret patterns and trends. By trying out various color maps, you can determine which one highlights the most important aspects of your data, enhances visual clarity, and matches the aesthetic you aim for in your visualization. Annotations in data visualizations are essential for adding context and detailed explanations to specific data points or regions in your graph. By including annotations, you can highlight important features, trends, or outliers, making your visualization more informative and easier to understand. Annotations can be used to provide additional information, such as numerical values, labels, or brief descriptions, directly on the graph. Modifying the names on the axis of a graph is important for accurately labeling and describing the data being presented. Clear and descriptive axis names help the audience understand what each axis represents, making the visualization more informative and easier to interpret. Proper labeling ensures that the viewers can quickly grasp the context and significance of the data, enhancing the overall clarity and effectiveness of your graph. By customizing the axis names, you can provide precise descriptions that match the content and purpose of your visualization, ensuring that your audience receives the intended message. Embracing advanced approaches and practicing different techniques, even if they seem challenging, is a fantastic way to accelerate your learning and growth. Pushing your boundaries helps you to develop new skills, gain deeper insights, and build confidence in tackling complex problems. This proactive mindset fosters continuous improvement and innovation, ensuring that you stay ahead and excel in your endeavors. By stepping out of your comfort zone and experimenting with diverse methods, you open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities for success. Keep up the great work, and never hesitate to explore and learn from every experience. By adopting a curious and experimental mindset, you will find yourself growing and improving rapidly. This approach not only enhances your technical abilities, but also builds your confidence, preparing you for more complex projects and analysis in the future. We aim to make things easier for you to understand. Our goal is to break down complex information and present it in a way that is clear and straightforward. By simplifying the content, we help you grasp the concepts quickly and easily. Our approach is all about making learning and understanding more manageable and enjoyable for you. My aim is to explain concepts in a clear and easy to understand manner. By breaking down complex ideas into simpler terms and providing context, this approach makes learning more accessible and enjoyable, simplifying intricate topics, offering real-world examples, and encouraging interactive engagement. Help to ensure that the information is relatable and memorable. Using visual aids and reinforcing key points further enhances understanding, creating an effective and motivating learning experience. Practice as much as you can, and dedicate your time to learning data science. The more you immerse yourself in the subject, the better you will understand complex concepts and develop essential skills. Consistent practice helps reinforce your knowledge, improve problem-solving abilities, and builds confidence in your capabilities. By investing time in learning and practicing, you will become more efficient and well-versed in the dynamic and ever-evolving field of data science. If you're a beginner, experimenting with random changes and playing with your code can be highly beneficial. This approach allows you to explore different possibilities, understand how various components work together, and develop problem-solving skills. It can significantly enhance your learning experience in data science and data visualization, making the process more enjoyable and effective. Embrace the experimentation mindset, and you will find yourself growing and improving rapidly. Engaging in this type of experimentation helps you become more comfortable with the tools and techniques used in data science. It fosters creativity and encourages you to think critically about how to achieve the desired results. Additionally, this method can make the learning process more enjoyable and less intimidating as you discover new ways to manipulate data and create visualizations. By using this step-by-step approach, we aim to simplify complex concepts and make the learning process more efficient and effective. This method involves breaking down intricate topics into manageable parts, providing clear explanations, and offering practical examples to enhance understanding. By presenting information in a structured and organized manner, we help learners to grasp new ideas more easily and build a solid foundation of knowledge. This approach not only saves time but also ensures that learners can confidently tackle more advanced concepts as they progress. By focusing on clarity and simplicity, we create an engaging and motivating learning experience that empowers individuals to achieve their educational goals without feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. This structured method fosters a deeper comprehension of the material, leading to better retention and application of the knowledge gained. By adopting this systematic approach, our goal is to demonstrate how you can efficiently customize each individual point in a STEM graph. This method involves breaking down the customization process into clear, manageable steps, with detailed explanations and practical examples. By focusing on each point separately, you will gain a thorough understanding of how to tailor every aspect of your visualization. This will allow you to create precise and personalized STEM graphs that highlight specific data values and trends, ultimately improving the clarity and impact of your visualizations. Through this step-by-step method, we ensure an efficient and effective learning experience, enabling you to achieve the best results. Sometimes things don't go our way, and it can be frustrating. In those moments, it's important to stay resilient and keep a positive outlook. Challenges and setbacks are part of the journey, and they often present valuable learning opportunities. By staying determined and open to new solutions, we can find ways to overcome obstacles and ultimately achieve our goals. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key to navigating difficult situations and growing stronger from the experience. Our goal is to make learning and understanding complex concepts as easy as possible for you. By breaking down intricate ideas into simpler, step-by-step explanations, we ensure that you can grasp the material more effectively. We provide clear guidance, practical examples, and relevant context to help you to navigate through the learning process with ease. Our commitment is to support you in mastering new skills and knowledge without unnecessary complexity, making your learning experience smooth, enjoyable, and productive. Your success and comprehension are our top priorities. Engaging in practice and play is one of the most effective ways to learn. Practice allows you to reinforce and refine your skills through repetition and application. It helps you build a strong foundation and gain confidence in your abilities. Reading data from an Excel file can be done easily with the help of Python's pandas library. You can also customize the data import process by specifying sheet names, columns, and other parameters to suit your specific requirements. Working with pandas simplifies the process of handling data from Excel files, making it efficient and straightforward to perform various data analysis and visualization tasks. When working with data, it's helpful to replace generic terms like data sets with the specific names of columns from your Excel file. Improvement, indeed, requires effort and dedication. To make meaningful progress, it's important to invest time and energy into refining your work. This involves analyzing what can be enhanced, seeking feedback, and continuously learning new techniques. By committing to this process, you can steadily elevate the quality of your outputs and achieve your goals. Animating a graph is an excellent way to make your data visualizations more dynamic and engaging. By adding animation, you can illustrate changes over time, highlight specific data points, and provide a more interactive experience for your audience. This technique can help to better communicate trends, patterns, and relationships within your data, making it more informative and visually appealing. To animate a graph using Funkanimation, you start with a static version of your graph. Next, you define an update function that modifies the graph's properties, such as segment sizes or angle, to create the illusion of movement or transformation. The Funkanimation class then repeatedly calls this update function, passing it the current frame number. This process makes the graph appear dynamic as the properties change frame by frame. By using this approach, you can effectively illustrate changes over time, highlight specific data points, and provide a more engaging and interactive experience for your audience. Animating graphs helps to better communicate trends and patterns within your data, making your visualizations more informative and visually appealing. Frames play a crucial role in animating specific portions of the graph. Each frame represents a snapshot of the graph at a particular point in time. By updating the graph's state for each frame, we create the illusion of movement and transformation. This technique allows you to control and animate various aspects of the graph. By experimenting with frames, you can gain a deeper understanding of how animations work and develop more advanced and engaging visualizations. This hands-on approach will help you to learn more about animation techniques using Matplotlib and improve your overall data visualization skills. Using Funkanimation to create these animations not only improves the visual impact of your graphs, but also enhances your understanding of data visualization techniques. This hands-on approach allows you to explore different possibilities and develop your skills in creating dynamic and informative graphs. Saving your graphs as images is an excellent practice. It allows you to preserve your visualizations for future reference, share them easily, and include them in reports or presentations. By doing so, you ensure that your work is well documented and easily accessible, enhancing the professionalism and organization of your projects. Setting your graphs as a GIF is a great way to ensure high quality and easily shareable visualizations. This format preserves the clarity and detail of your graphs, making them perfect for reports and presentations. Setting your graphs animation is indeed crucial. It ensures that you have a record of your visualizations, which can be easily shared, revisited, or included in reports and presentations. Setting your animations as GIFs is a fantastic way to create easily shareable and visually engaging content. They are particularly useful for showcasing dynamic visualizations, as they can capture the movement and changes over time in a single, looping file. By saving your animations as such, you can ensure that your work is both accessible and impactful, making it perfect for presentations, social media, and more. While by saving your animations as videos, you ensure that your visualizations are preserved in a professional and accessible format, enhancing their impact and usability. Videos can capture the full detail and smoothness of your animations, making them perfect for presentations, tutorials, and sharing on various platforms.